The hair was the bad luck, you know. Hair
Yeah.
completely bad, unlucky. So maybe he's gonna be the luck. Well, let's see. Let's make some money. Look at this arm.
Let's make some money.
Bring top tier, a jerkmate level 10. As for our luck, okay. Top tier, jerkmate.
Yeah, let's get that.
So what coin should we hop on, bro?
Okay. Let's scan.
BTSD. Yo, BTSD, bro.
PTSD. Okay, wait. Let's find a coin that's not a bit sniped.
Yo, before
That's already sniped, man.
we buy it, bro, we need to look.
Go 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. 1 minute time.
Utility coin, bro.
We're on 5 minutes. On 1. Nah.
I'm foaming. I don't shit. Foaming. Say what? Sell. What? It's $2, bro. Sell it. No, bro, it's $2. No. Sell. 50.
50, crazy.
You know what? Bro, sell. It's $4. I'm on oh shit. It's how do you call it?
Bro, you should have sold it, bro.
It's $5, bro.
But you were making 5 before.
It's fine. It's gonna go up, trust. Utility, bro. Utility. Trust will go up. If it goes 6x, we're cooked. Just saying. Meanwhile, we're like doing this trade. We should. I'm gonna put in some money real quick.
No, 1 soul.
I'm gonna
0.5.
0.5. I'm put 0.5.
But this is 50% snipe, though.
It's fine, bro. It's to make it go up. Trust. I mean, we're down like $5.
6 now.
6, 7.
We didn't make any money because
6, 7. 6, 7. 6,
Because of
7.
Levi.
6, 7.
That's $100. 0.5. Expensive.
Brody. 0.5. Damn. All the money that I made already gone, bro. Yo,
Bro, I told you to sell at $5.
it was 5, bro. I'm getting greedy now. Today is greedy month,
I think we should go impulsive. Go on.
bro.
Buy.
Bro.
0.2.
But it's too much, bro.
Come on, wait, go on 30-second time frame.
Buy.
Bro, we lost all of it, bro. We got scammed. We just lost 1.2.
Boy. It's the most obvious pump and dump, bro.
Oh my days.
Come on.
Come on,
Grow up. No, our selling point 50k.
50.
50.
That's 2x.
50k. Yeah, that's our selling point. 50k.
But what's the selling point? 18?
Yeah, basically $24. It's gonna go. It can go.
It can go.
You know what? Let's go high dreams.
Nah, that's still
100k. 100k. 100k.
Well, wow.
How greedy, bro? How greedy? Fuck it.
We felt we
How do you call it?
we cheated.
We cheated.
That's right. Cheat.
Well, cheats.
Look, watch this go up without you. No, bro, we should have bought there at 15k.
I mean, it's not really ideal to buy more, but oh, he would have done it too. My finger, it slipped. My bad.
Yo, bro, what are you doing, bro? Every time you buy, bro, I think I should start doing it now.
You know what? We leave it on. We sent to Dagestan. We forget.
We'll send it to that.
We forget. 2-3 years, bro. 2-3 years. Yo, after this year, bro, I'm gonna go kill myself.
That's bro, 50k.
Crazy. That's you, bro.
No, that's you, bro. Nah, I remove that.
Bob.
Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Wait, it's going up.
Bob. It's Bob. It was Bob. Come on. It's Bob. Bob, this is for you, Bob. Let's make this video long, bro. Can we like stop losing more money? Like we lost I hope 0.4 already.
We lost 0.4.
Yes, look.
Oh, we shoot. No, we don't. We didn't. We still have 0.3.
Where's the other coin? What? 11% of that one. 1%.
24k. Oh, it's going up. Go back on it.
Oh, calm down. We're break even because I bought in 27.
We would have done it 2x.
What in 2x? I got it somewhere here. I'm at least I bought somewhere here, but we sold. Well, Bob is going up. I love Bob. Hey, Loki, should I sell in this one, Loki? Or forget it, bro?
Bob is pumping, bro.
Bob. What is he even about, bro? Do you know? But
oh wait, 30k. But we would have done it 2x if we bought 15.
let it go, bro. Let it.
Let's buy more.
Bro, we're gonna lose, man. You know what? We're gonna make millions.
Let's make millions.
Fucking billions, bro. Phone ball.
Bro, I think it's because of your haircut, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. Be a risk taker. I mean, I'll take that rather than losing. I mean, we're in
100k, so 100k. Bro, remember?
Yo,
what did I say, bro?
a call.
That was a good call, but we would have lost how much? 0.1?
Should buy big man.
Let's buy it. We go in one second time frame.
Can you?
It's going up.
Then FOMO, bro. Every time,
Sell. Oh shoot. Oh no. We got rogue, bro. But we need to find a new strategy because you keep losing the money, yeah? Bro! What the hell? Bro, we went from 0.65 to 0.2. Bro, who sell? Sell. Bro, sold. Dev sold. How much did we make? How much did we make? I don't know.
Good question. 0.3.
0.3?
Bro.
We didn't. We made,
What's the coin?
we made 0.03.
Well, I'll take that.
Buy it, bro. Trust me, buy it with all the money.
Full port.
Full port. 0.9, 0.19.
1.8 because I don't have anything for fees.
Look, we're making money, bro. I think we should full port, bro. We should full port.
We already just did.
We should put more money.
No, hell no.
Put more money.
Bro, hell no.
Bro, we're up.
No.
3.
That's the budget, bro. 0.5, bro.
Bro, let's sell out here. Sell here.
No, we're selling up to 200k.
Bro, trust me. It's gonna come back and then it's gonna hit here. That's 2x.
Realistic.
Then we get the money back.
Realistic? Okay.
Bro, I'm telling you, let's put more.
I'm telling you. No. We don't, bro. Just leave it. Just let it flow, bro. Let's let it flow.
Bro, what did I say, bro?
It's four subjects.
Wait, I say.
Wait, no. I'm telling you to
Go up there.
We sell 100k, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, look, it's pumping.
Me, bro.
I literally made you money. Should we sell?
No, bro.
Bro, we made 25%.
We're gonna reach 79. Trust.
We're pumping, bro. I'm making you money.
Just stay in that coin, bro. We don't have to do anything.
Bro, I'm telling you, at 79k, we're taking profit. I told you, bro.
So you put money, bro. Active.
$100, yeah? 200.
Don't care, bro. Bro, we're not gonna stop this shit until we make money, bro.
Bro, we made money already. You lost all of it.
My don't care. Wait, don't care, bro. No, what do you mean for first trade? You said buy, boom, lost. Immediately, buy, boom, gone.
Bro, it's impossible to make money on crypto now and lose money and be depressed. Buy. Bro, buy. 0.2.
This is the last trade, guys. The last trade. If we lose, this ends. Well,
I like the graph. I like the graph.
This ends.
I think it's pump fun.
Chat, this shit goes down. Chat.
Oh my days. Go back to the next member is growing fast. What's up, chat? 100k. So selling for peanuts. Very good narrative.
Bro, go into the thing, put sell. 100%. Okay. We're not even making any money yet. But
okay, wait.
Bro. Okay, it's the last trade.
Bro, we're making money.
The last trade. It's the last trade of the day. Last trade of the day, bro.
Bro, 100k.
Yep.
100k sell?
100k, yeah.
Oh shit, we're going down. Should we hold? Hold. Bro, you sell. Whatever you want.
Come on, it's the last trade, chat.
Wait, what's the selling point if we lose money still?
35k.
Let's go!
I'm telling you, it's the ritual.
Let's go! Come on, go up. 1 minute. Be a good boy. Come on, go up. 100k. 1 nil. 1 nil. Be a good boy.
Every time I play this song, those guys.
Let's go. That's my trade, bro. Go on, big pump. Wait, yo, this thing.
I'm literally. I told.
Oh my days. 60k.
I told you.
Imagine 0 500k MC,
bro. I told you, bro. I told you this song.
60k. 60. Oh my days, bro.
Okay.
Oh my days. Okay. Wait. Hold.
Wait. Check the
15
holders.
bucks.
Check the holders. Bro, forget about the money, bro. We're gonna sell at 0.7. No, once you unlock this shit. 5x, bro. High hopes, high dreams.
Bro, looks like people like sniped a lot.
Yo, done, bro.
Top traders.
What are they gonna do?
So I made 4x.
No, this
No, it looks good. It looks good.
First on a sniper.
He's a sniper.
Where'd you find this? Did you find it in Discover or Pulse?
Bro, literally right there.
Okay, Discover.
Not Discover. Here, it was literally here.
Oh.
Look, September. I think he's gonna go to migrated.
Let it migrate then. How much is how do you call this? My coin that I'm holding? The actually. Oh shit! You saw him, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh shit. Okay, bro. Let's just hold this. Bro, the graph. I like the chart, bro. I really like the chart.
Yo, it's the last trade of the day, bro. Come on, we need to hold. Should we just hold? Yeah, we just hold. It's the last trade.
Let's just hold.
Either we lose it or make it. Bro, die trying? No, die rich or die trying. Die rich or die trying. We're gonna die rich or die trying, bro. Yeah.
Almost 500 and 900. Bro, let's just hold it.
Die rich or die trying, bro. I'm telling you, we need to hold. I mean, like,
bro, I think we need to put them on someone. We lost money because the haircut lost so much.
It's the haircut, bro. The haircuts.